Okay, all these interruptions and things. I promise it goes as fast as I can through number 8. All right, the length of the side of a rectangle is 3 more than 5 times the width of the rectangle. Write an equation, kind of blurry here, to find the perimeter of the rectangle. All right, my first thing on this question is, the upsy, right? I'm trying to find the perimeter. Okay, I'm going to draw a rectangle. It's the length is 3 times more. No, it's 3 more than 5 times the width. That's confusing. All right, let's just draw a rectangle. I don't know what it is. There's my rectangle. All right. And this is my width right here. This is my length. Right? Okay. See, this thing will freeze. Okay. All right, cool. So let's think about this. The length depends on the length depends on what the width is, right? Take the width, and if you multiply the width times 5, and then add 3 to that, you're going to get the length. Correct? Length is 3 more than 5 times the width. Yeah, okay. So multiply the width times 5, add 3, you get the length. All right, I want to write that with algebra. Multiply the width times 5, add 3, and you get the length. Make sense? Cool. Now, let's think about what perimeter means. All right, perimeter means a rectangle is width plus length plus width plus length. Right? Cool. All right. So all I have to do is write down, I know my width is, I don't know what it is, but it's W, right? I know what my length is, it is, I could be kind of a smart aleck here, right? Here's a smart aleck answer. Well, Mr. Baker, the equation for the perimeter of the rectangle would be the perimeter equals 2 width plus 2 length. Right, that's true. That's true. Right, your perimeter is always 2 of your widths plus 2 of your lengths. This doesn't help me very much. I can't find it out. I can't solve it. Question number 8 doesn't ask us to solve it. But to solve it, you have too many variables. You can't do it with W's and L's. You need remember y equals mx. You should always have 2 variables, a y and an x. Right here we have a p and a w and an l. It's too many. Okay, but guess what? We can substitute. Remember substitution? Every time we see an L here, we can take out that L and substitute in this whole baby right here. This is actually kind of complicated math, you guys. This is like 9th grade math. So I'm just going to write this down. I don't think you actually ever need to do this until 9th grade, certainly not in 7th grade, but I'm going to write it down anyway because I'm almost done with this video and might as well write it down. So my perimeter equals 2 widths plus 2. I'm going to substitute. I see an L. I'm going to take out the L and substitute in this whole shebang. 5W plus 3. Bam. That is most likely good enough for us. You can go ahead and stop the video, go on to the next one. Unless you're really interested, for another, probably another minute or so, I'm gonna reduce this. I'm gonna simplify. If you want to watch it, awesome. More power to you. Okay, so what I'm thinking is 2 times 5W is 10W, right? So I have 2W over here, still over there. I'm gonna add 2 times 5W is 10W. I don't even know if we've done. Yeah, we did a distributive property, right? 2 times 5W is 10W. 2 times 3 is 6. Right? So my equation is P equals 2W plus 10W plus 6. Well, I can add 2W and 10W together, right? So P equals 2W plus 10W is 12W plus 6. So that's my final simplified equation. My perimeter equals 12 times the width plus 6. Yeah, it wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad at all, really. Right? Width plus 5 width plus 3 plus 5 width plus 3. 12 width plus 6. Okay. That was I don't know why that's in 7th grade, but we'll take it. Awesome.